Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial introducing you to the PA feature. The PA feature allows personal assistants or executive assistants to create meetings on behalf of their managers. Within the MeetingBooster web interface, when preparing for the meeting, you can allocate different meeting organizers, meaning that the personal assistant or executive assistant can create these meetings on behalf of other people. This means that the meeting invitations and meeting documents will come from the organizer's email. To set up the PA functionality, head over to the Admin section of MeetingBooster. Within here, find User Management, and within the user's profile, you can allocate their ability to create meetings on behalf of other people. Simply select the individual and hit OK. We hope you enjoyed that MeetingBooster tutorial. For more, head over to the Help section within your MeetingBooster interface and go to Video Tutorials.